this is Tracy. Welcome to my channel. Actually, this is the first time that I film a video in full English. I'm so nervous actually. I'm gonna do an unboxing for one of the stationery that I got from one of the designers from Malaysia. So the designer's name is Kuru. And the reason why I filmed this video in English is because she doesn't understand Chinese. So this is a good start. Why not? Actually, I haven't opened the stamps yet, so I have no idea what's inside. And this is her Instagram. If you're interested in her design, go and check it out on her Instagram. So here we go. As you see, I actually stick all the address already, and I have opened it. I haven't seen what's inside. I haven't opened it. I'm so excited because I really want to film this video. That's why I haven't opened it. I think I got it, well, last year probably, or this year in the beginning. So it is nearly April. No, sorry, nearly March right now. No, this is so cute. Little happiness. We'll stick it here first. Flower stamps. I don't know what stamp is this, so I'll just leave it for now. Take everything out first. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Happiness is giving someone a gift. Oh, this is so cute. And I got a business card, some little stickers. They are so cute. I'm gonna take a photo first. Okay, let's continue. Which shall I open first? Okay. Let me get the scissors first. Let me open this one first. Oh, I'm so excited because I have no idea what's inside. Oh, I should have taken a knife. Oh my god, these are so cute. Oh my god, they are, well, not really sure which series that she designed, but this one is all the frames. They are so cute. Okay, just leave it here. And I guess this is flower, if this is what it shows. flower one. And I can't take it out. Yeah, carry that. Flower two. The flowers, they are so nice. And the last one, she's really sweet. Like, see this? And have my name on that. Oh, I don't want to open that. Oh my god, this is crazy. This is so cute. She's really sweet. Dear Tracy, happy to know you this year. Wish in the year 2020 can bring for you lots of happiness, good health, and indeed wealth. Have a rocking year. Thank you for the sweet notes. Oh my god, this is so much. Okay, so I got a little mice. You probably will see a lot of mouse this year because in the traditional Chinese calendar is the year of mouse right now. See, it's really cute. A mouse. My ice cream is full. Let me take something away. Okay. And a little frame as well. Really cute. And what's this? Oh, this is sweet. Have a great year. And this is her collection. This year actually, because it just produced in December last year. And the little papers. Some little labels as well. Finally, here comes the final stamps. I'm so excited. I'm excited. Even I'm opening the last bit. Oh my god, these are so cute. These are like really tiny. This is for posting. Can't take it out again. Never mind. They are so cute. I'll show you this way. They are like the stamps you can use when you are posting something to someone. Thank you so much. I got so many gifts. Oh my god. I didn't expect this much gift. Alright. So I got all these cute stamps from, what's her name? I always forgot her name. I'm so terrible. Wait. Because I'm gonna film this video, so I have asked her how to pronounce her name. And I actually just review it before I start filming. And now I forgot again. How terrible I am. Let me have a look.
or just Kuru.
Okay, Kuru. It's such a cute name, but like really Japanese. So here's my unboxing for today. Hope you like it and give me a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe my channel, open the notification, and that's it. See you next time. Bye bye.